Our planet faces a challenge: climate change. The signs are all around us: melting ice caps, burning forests, and smog-filled cityscapes. These are not just isolated incidents, but interconnected symptoms of a larger problem. The Earth's climate is changing at an unprecedented rate, and the consequences are becoming more severe with each passing year. The very air we breathe is changing, filled with pollutants and harmful gases. Industrial activities and urbanization have led to an increase in carbon emissions, which trap heat in our atmosphere. This not only affects the quality of the air, but also contributes to global warming, making our cities hotter and less livable, warming our world. But there is hope. Rising temperatures are a clear indicator of the urgent need for action. The intense heat waves and prolonged droughts are making it difficult for ecosystems to survive. However, amidst these challenges, there is a glimmer of hope. Scientists and researchers are working tirelessly to find solutions that can mitigate the impact of climate change. Scientists are developing remarkable technology: carbon capture. This innovative approach involves capturing carbon dioxide emissions directly from the air or at the source, such as power plants and industrial facilities. By preventing these emissions from entering the atmosphere, we can significantly reduce the greenhouse effect and slow down global warming. This technology can capture the harmful carbon dioxide from our atmosphere. Carbon capture systems use advanced filters and chemical processes to isolate and store carbon dioxide. These systems can be integrated into existing industrial setups, making it easier to adopt this technology on a large scale. The captured carbon can then be stored underground or repurposed for other uses, such as in the production of building materials. It is a powerful tool in the fight against climate change. When combined with renewable energy sources like wind and solar power, carbon capture technology can help us transition to a more sustainable and low-carbon future. By reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and capturing emissions, we can make significant strides in combating climate change. Carbon capture offers a way to reduce our impact. Imagine a future where our cities are free from smog, where green parks thrive, and where people can enjoy clean air. This is the vision that carbon capture technology brings closer to reality. By addressing the root cause of air pollution and global warming, we can create healthier and more livable urban environments. It can help us create a cleaner, healthier planet for all. The benefits of carbon capture extend beyond just reducing emissions. It also promotes public health by improving air quality and reducing respiratory illnesses. Moreover, it supports biodiversity by protecting natural habitats from the adverse effects of climate change. A cleaner planet means a better quality of life for everyone. It is a vital tool in our fight for a sustainable future. As we continue to innovate and develop new technologies, carbon capture will play an essential role in our efforts to achieve sustainability. By investing in this technology and supporting policies that promote its adoption, we can pave the way for a greener and more resilient world. Together, we can make a difference and secure a better future for generations to come. Carbon dioxide is a gas. We cannot see it, but it is all around us. Plants need it to grow. Animals breathe it out. For centuries, this natural balance kept our planet healthy. However, human activities have upset this balance. Burning fossil fuels like coal and oil releases huge amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This excess carbon dioxide is like a blanket, trapping heat and causing our planet to warm. Carbon capture technology acts like a giant filter. Imagine large facilities built near factories or power plants. These facilities capture the carbon dioxide emissions before they reach the atmosphere. The process involves specialized materials that act like magnets, attracting and capturing the carbon dioxide molecules. This captured carbon dioxide is then prepared for safe, long-term storage. Once captured, the carbon dioxide needs to be stored safely and permanently. One solution lies deep beneath our feet: suitable geological formations. These formations, often located in depleted oil and gas reservoirs or deep saline aquifers, provide vast, secure storage spaces. The captured carbon dioxide, compressed into a liquid-like state, is injected deep underground. Here, trapped within the porous rock layers and sealed by impermeable cap rocks, it can remain safely stored for centuries, preventing its release into the atmosphere. Section 5. Turning emissions into treasure: real-world examples. Carbon capture is not a distant dream. It is happening now. Across the globe, innovative technologies are being deployed to capture carbon dioxide emissions from various industrial processes. These technologies are not just theoretical concepts, but are actively being implemented in real-world scenarios, showcasing their feasibility and effectiveness. Around the world, pioneering projects demonstrate its potential. From North America to Europe and Asia, countries are investing in carbon capture initiatives to combat climate change. These projects are not only reducing emissions, but also paving the way for a sustainable future by turning captured carbon into valuable resources. In Canada, a large-scale project captures carbon dioxide from a coal-fired power plant and uses it to enhance oil recovery. This project, known as the Boundary Dam Carbon Capture and Storage Project, is one of the world's first commercial-scale carbon capture and storage facilities. By capturing up to 1 million tons of CO2 annually, it significantly reduces greenhouse gas emissions while boosting oil production. In Iceland, another project captures carbon dioxide from a geothermal power plant and turns it into stone, permanently storing it underground. This innovative approach, known as the CarbFix project, involves dissolving CO2 in water and injecting it into basaltic rock formations, where it mineralizes and becomes solid rock. This method offers a permanent and safe solution for carbon storage. These successful projects offer a glimpse into a future where carbon capture becomes commonplace. As technology advances and costs decrease, carbon capture could become a standard practice in industries worldwide. By turning emissions into valuable resources and safely storing them, we can mitigate the impacts of climate change and move towards a more sustainable and resilient future. Section 6. A cooler future. Benefits of carbon capture. The widespread adoption of carbon capture technology holds immense promise for our planet. Firstly, it offers a way to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions from major industrial sources, such as power plants and factories. By capturing and storing carbon dioxide, we can slow down the rate of climate change, mitigating its devastating effects. This technology can help protect vulnerable ecosystems, preserve biodiversity, and secure a healthier future for generations to come. Section 7. The price of progress, challenges, and costs. While the potential of carbon capture is vast, it is important to acknowledge the challenges. One significant hurdle is the cost. Building and operating carbon capture facilities requires substantial financial investment. Additionally, we need to ensure the long-term safety and security of carbon storage sites. Continuous monitoring and robust regulations are essential to prevent any potential leaks or environmental impacts. Section 8. A global effort collaboration for a sustainable future. Addressing climate change is not a task for any single nation. It requires global cooperation. Sharing knowledge, expertise, and resources will be crucial in accelerating the development and deployment of carbon capture technology worldwide. International collaboration can drive innovation, reduce costs, and ensure that this vital technology is accessible to all nations, particularly developing countries. Section 9. Our shared responsibility, a hopeful conclusion. The fight against climate change is a challenge we must face together. It is not just the responsibility of governments or large corporations, but of every individual on this planet. Each one of us has a role to play, whether it's through small daily actions or larger, more impactful initiatives. By coming together as a global community, we can drive the change needed to protect our environment and ensure a sustainable future. Carbon capture technology, while not a silver bullet, offers a powerful tool in our arsenal. This technology allows us to capture and store carbon dioxide emissions from industrial processes, preventing them from entering the atmosphere. By integrating carbon capture with other renewable energy solutions, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. It's a step forward in our quest to mitigate the effects of climate change. It is a beacon of hope, a testament to human ingenuity. By investing in research, supporting its deployment, and embracing sustainable practices, we can harness the power of innovation to create a better world. Renewable energy sources like wind and solar power are becoming more efficient and accessible, providing clean energy to millions. These advancements are crucial in our transition to a low-carbon economy. We can create a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future for generations to come. Imagine cities filled with green spaces where children can play in clean parks and communities thrive in harmony with nature. Urban areas can be transformed with green buildings and lush vegetation, improving air quality and enhancing the quality of life for all residents. The time to act is now. We cannot afford to wait any longer. The urgency of the situation demands immediate and decisive action. Every moment we delay, the more difficult it becomes to reverse the damage done to our planet. By taking action today, we can ensure a livable world for future generations. Our planet is counting on us. From the vast oceans to the towering mountains, every part of our Earth is interconnected. The beauty and diversity of our natural world are treasures worth protecting. Together, with determination and collective effort, we can rise to the challenge and safeguard our planet for all who call it home.